So we're here at Sanderson Ford, super excited. When we sold VIN 1 Bronco two-door in Scottsdale, I immediately told my friends at Ford, I want one of these. So I was very excited going through the process, and they allocated me VIN number 4, which I always love our single-digit numbers when I can get one.
All the amenities of a luxury car, and still a solid four-wheel off-road vehicle. You lock the front, lock the rear, lock all four, spin it around on a dime.
I'm excited to have a brand new, everything state-of-the-art Bronco that does everything that you would expect out of a modern vehicle. Now I just got to learn how it all works. Ordered it in the same exact color as one of my GT 500s, the one that I actually drive. And I am going to drive this. I'm going to four-wheel drive this.
Craig, it's really been special all these years, and we have no cars on the showroom floor, so some of my classics are on the showroom floor. And guess what? They all came from Barrett-Jackson. It's amazing. I want to thank you for everything you do for our community. Thank you for our relationship at Sanderson Ford. It's been a long time, and we really appreciate it.
Well, thank you. And our relationship with Ford, you're a great dealer. So much that you do for our community here too, and for our veterans and everybody out at Luke Air Force Base. So let's go. Like a kid on Christmas.